The first 50 facts blew your mind? Buckle up. Part 2 is a full-on intellectual roller coaster. You won't believe it, but it's all true. Let's go. Fact number 51. Hagfish can produce a liter of slime in less than a second as a defense mechanism against predators. Fact number 52. The black heron uses its wings like an umbrella to create shade, helping it spot and catch fish more easily. Fact number 53. Tourists still steal rocks from the Colosseum, so staff scatter fake stones every night to satisfy them. Fact number 54. Victorian-era bathtubs once rocked like rocking chairs and were filled with water to mimic the feel of ocean waves. Fact number 55. A seahorse's outer skeleton is actually its armor-like bony structure, not an exoskeleton, but its real bones. Fact number 56. In 1996, Donald Trump claimed he made $20 million betting on the Tyson Holyfield boxing match. Fact number 57. Eardrums move slightly when we shift our eyes, a discovery made in 2018 that links hearing and vision. Fact number 58. Orcas are one of the few predators that hunt great white sharks, often flipping them to induce paralysis. Fact number 59. The white rhinoceros isn't actually white. Its name came from a mistranslation of a Dutch word meaning wide. Fact number 60. In early 20th century America, there was a dangerous sport called auto polo. Polo played with cars instead of horses. Fact number 61. African fishermen have used suckerfish to catch turtles by tying a line to the fish's tail and letting it attach to a turtle. Fact number 62. Trout are used in wastewater treatment systems because they quickly die when toxins are present. Fact number 63. Watermelon snow exists in high mountains. It's red and smells like watermelon due to cold-loving algae. Fact number 64. Silver is an edible food additive known as E174, used mainly for decorative purposes. Fact number 65. The Statue of Liberty's arm arrived in the U.S. before the rest of the statue to raise funds for its construction. Fact number 66. Tsar Nicholas II of Russia had a tradition of kissing every guard on the cheek during Easter, up to 1,000 soldiers. Fact number 67. The king cobra can control whether it injects venom, often delivering dry bites as a warning. Fact number 68. The recurrent laryngeal nerve in humans takes an unnecessarily long route due to evolutionary legacy from fish. Fact number 69. Only cats that can purr cannot roar, and vice versa. The anatomy of their voice boxes makes it impossible to do both. Fact number 70. India is home to the highest railway arch bridge in the world, the Chenab Bridge, which spans the Chenab River and the Jammu and Kashmir region. This engineering marvel stands 359 meters above the river, making it taller than the Eiffel Tower, and plays a critical role in connecting remote mountainous areas with a vital rail link through extremely rugged terrain. Fact number 71. Fish can experience depression. Scientists use zebrafish to study mental health treatments. Fact number 72. Human teeth evolved from ancient fish scales. Dermal denticles migrated into the mouth over millions of years. Fact number 73. Leonardo da Vinci could draw with one hand while writing with the other, a sign of extraordinary brain coordination. Fact number 74. Moon dust is extremely sharp and toxic. Inhaling it could destroy 90% of lung or brain tissue in 24 hours. Fact number 75.
Goldfish released into the wild can grow over 45 centimeters and weigh more than a kilogram, disrupting local ecosystems.
Fact number 76. Tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, even stronger than bone, but it doesn't regenerate. Fact number 77. Wolf mothers remember their grown pups and may help them even years after they've left the pack. Cristiano Ronaldo earns more than 25 billion rubles per year, more than the budget of entire Russian cities. Fact number 79. Chrome Hearts once sold sterling silver ketchup bottles for $3,190 as a luxury grilling accessory. Fact number 80. The first mobile phone, released in 1983, weighed nearly a kilogram and cost the equivalent of $10,000 today. Fact number 81. The world's first factories were mechanical engineering based. During the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, machine and engine production, particularly for textile looms and steam engines, formed the core of early factories. Mechanical engineering gave rise to mass production, standardized parts, and the birth of the modern industrial society. Fact number 82. Chimpanzees can learn to play rock, paper, scissors as well as a 4-year-old child. Fact number 83. Ferrari Modula, a one-of-a-kind spaceship-like car, was built for a 1970 auto show and now belongs to a U.S. collector. Fact number 84. The hero and villain in The Fifth Element never meet on screen, an unusual move for a blockbuster. Fact number 85. Smiling, even when fake, can trick your brain into feeling happier thanks to facial feedback. Fact number 86. Originally, wristwatches were considered feminine until WW1 popularized them for soldiers. Fact number 87. Apollo 11 footprints remain on the moon. There's no wind or rain to erase them. Fact number 88. Leonardo da Vinci could mirror write, writing perfectly backward with his left hand. Fact number 89. Tooth enamel is mineralized with hydroxyapatite, stronger than bone, but it doesn't heal itself. Fact number 90. Highly intelligent people are statistically more prone to alcohol dependence. Fact number 91. In zero gravity, candle flames turn blue and spherical, since there's no convection to lift hard air, making them look almost alien. Fact number 92. Peter the Great disguised himself and worked as a carpenter in Europe to bring back advanced technology to Russia. Fact number 93. Ancient Roman gladiators were celebrity-like, with fans, fame, and sometimes even contracts for fights. Fact number 94. At any given time, somewhere in the world, a Shakespeare play is being performed. Fact number 95. A scene from The Lord of the Rings was lost when a massive flood washed the set into a river. Fact number 96. In medieval chess, pawns reaching the last rank became advisors, not queens. Dual rulers were frowned upon. Fact number 97. In 2004, police found a secret underground cinema with a bar and restaurant inside Paris catacombs. Fact number 98. Most of the Sahara isn't sand, but gravel. Tiny stones in red, white, and black hues dominate the desert. Fact number 99. Saturn's moons Epimetheus and Janus share nearly identical orbits, switching places every 4 years. Fact 100. Most Disney characters wear gloves because it simplifies the animation process. Now it's time to act, Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next batch of mind-blowing facts. Mr. Imahara is with you, and this is just the beginning.